guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Mick, and today we're going to do something really special. We're going to turn Jeffree Star into a Gucci model. Stick around. Okay, alright, let's start. I already did a light drawing earlier, and now I'm finalizing lines using an HB pencil. I tried my best to make the model look like Jeffree Star because, I don't want to be cancelled. For a more fashion-forward look, I tried to give Jeffree a fiercer expression and stronger features. And I think here, Jeffree looks real badass. Another way I made the model look more distinctively Jeffree: tattoos. Ooh, love these tattoos. In this look, Jeffree will be wearing a white Gucci shirt with a camel overcoat, styled with really chunky colorful bangles and this green funky patterned leather gloves. Cute! Now, patterned leather can be quite tricky to do. The cast shadows and the highlights can be really strong because of its reflective appearance. Here you will see me starting off with some parts that I want to leave white. Later, I will be adding a darker shade of green and maybe a bit of gray to add shadows. Another challenge for this look is this snakeskin envelope clutch. Snakeskin is a huge pain, but let me try. How is it looking so far? Do you like it? Yes? No? Well, do you think Jeffree Star will be able to rock this look in real life? Comment down below, but be nice. Now, finishing it up, let's add more details using color pencils and pen. By the way, Jeffree has rocked different color wigs. I love the long pink ones the best. Let's talk about Jeffree's tattoos real fast. On one arm, Jeffree has honeycomb pattern with bumblebees. Nice! On Jeffree's neck is a portrait of, I think, Jeffree's grandma, another bumblebee right on the center, and a text that says delicious. On Jeffree's other arm, I think I see curtains, but I can't figure out the whole picture. I need to watch his tattoos videos again. Okay, let's finish up the whole look with color pencils and pen. Oh, before I forgot, we also have to improve the snake skin bag. Let me add more details, okay? I can't wait to show you the completed illustration. And as promised, here is my fashion illustration of Jeffree Star wearing a Gucci ensemble. It's not that we don't see Jeffree wearing Gucci and other luxury stuff, but this look is very different than how I usually see Jeffree in his videos, and I think it looks great. Anyway, I hope you like it too, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye!